November, which means it's time for the monthly wrap, where we showcase the best of what we got up to this month. Plus, I'm going to be giving you a little cheeky sneak peek into what we've got happening next month, December. Oh my God, freak out, end of the year. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So first up, I've got to talk about our tour of the block, Tess and Luke's pad. We've been here for nearly 4 hours. We've managed to shoot the intro kind of, then Foreman Dan just interrupted us. He's in there. And now we've got the tour group. I can't work under these conditions. I can't work under these conditions. We launched that video just before they went to auction, and well, the results speak for themselves, guys. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Congratulations to Tess and Luke. It was so incredible walking through that home. I've really got to say, it was an incredibly generous home. I was like, literally couldn't believe how big those proportions were in that home. Well, just look at the size of this bathtub. I loved it. The staircase, that kind of studio apartment. Literally, this is its own house. This is insane. There's so much to love. They really deserve to win, and to be honest, everybody on the block this year did incredibly well, so it was fun being part of it. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all your awesome comments as well. Cheers. We also took you through the Colour Crush house. Now this was an incredibly delicious home. There was so much colour, and I was so incredibly inspired walking through that front door. I was just like, oh my God. It was like punching me in the face everywhere, but like a nice punch, like a nice little wake up punch, nothing too aggressive. This house is filled with so much deliciousness, but it was just incredible. I loved it. It was actually the home of Alex McCabe, who's actually one of the founders of Kip & Co. So I was really anticipating a lot of pattern anyway. I knew there was going to be a lot going on there, but it just superseded my expectations. It was just incredible. So you guys really loved that as well. This month, we also took you on a little bit of a different tour. It wasn't a full home. It was actually a new home, because we took you through the Fee and Row display gallery. This is not your typical display gallery. This is a fully fledged home. You guys really enjoyed it. You loved the interiors. The interiors were by Mim Design. They were just incredibly beautiful. I gotta admit, they were. I like them too. They were perfect. We also took a look through the dairy house, a new home from Dan Gafer. It was a converted dairy that is now a dream home. You guys absolutely loved that one. Plus, Ivy Muse, again, our plant gurus had us sorted, and they talked about the top 10 air purifying plants, which I didn't know. I knew that plants cleared the air and removed toxins, but this article was so incredible. They literally listed 10 different plants that remove all of the toxins from the air, and they listed all the different toxins that they remove. So if you want to increase your plant IQ, make sure you go read that. And we went to Arizona again. Well, not physically. I'm trying to work on that at the moment, but we went to Arizona to take a look at the Plate House by Ranch Mine. That pad was just incredibly beautiful. I really am enjoying the desert homes in Arizona. I just think they're incredible. And look, if you are watching and you are from the Phoenix, Arizona area, give me a comment, give me a like, shout out. I'd love to know if you're watching, and just quietly, if you know anyone that can make it happen and get me over there to look at some houses in the flesh, let me know. Now, if you're following us on Instagram, which you should be by now, at Hunting for George, just saying. But if you're following us on Instagram, you would have seen our travels this month. We actually went to Gundagai in country New South Wales, and we went to check out the Kimo Estate. And because I like you guys, I'm gonna give you a little teaser. Are you ready? Okay, go. After you. So that is an epic tiny cabin that is just, oh, I can't even begin to explain how incredible that space was. Plus, hot tub, oh my God, amazing. So that is going to be launching next month. We also checked out Avolo Nishi, which is in Canberra, which is a really just cool designer boutique accommodation. I can't even say hotel, because it was way more than a hotel. It had so much more going on, and I spoke all about it. I wrote a bit of an article about Avolo Nishi, and because I feel like for most Australians, maybe the last time that you visited Canberra could have well been when you were in year 6 and you did that kind of Parliament House tour. What I have decided to do is put together my ultimate weekend in Canberra, because there is a lot more to see now in Canberra, guys, than just Parliament House. I mean, if that's your game and you want to go see Parliament, that's cool, but I've got a few other things up my sleeve of things to do in Canberra. So watch out for that. I'm going to be putting together my weekend guide to Canberra. We've got a lot going on next month, like a lot. I'm really excited because we are going to be showing you our Tasmania trailer. I'm really excited to show you this.
Where are we?
Tassie. What do we want?
Apple.
Got it. I'll be honest with you, I thought we were gonna have it out earlier than this, but we just shot so much cool content, I can't even begin to explain how much content we got, and it's taken us a while to get to a point we're really, really happy. So the trailer is gonna give you a bit of a showcase as to what we've got coming up, and then the series is gonna be launching soon after that. The series is gonna be launching to YouTube. So I have to stress this, you've gotta go to YouTube, please subscribe, because that is where we're gonna be launching this content, not on Instagram, so make sure you're...
So I have to stress is you've got to go. I found on the web.
Siri, I'm speaking. Hey Siri, you have to go to YouTube, please subscribe. Oh my God, see? Even Siri's subscribing. But seriously though, please go to YouTube, subscribe, because we've got all of our Tassie series launching on there. Also, something really exciting that we're doing is a reno. I'm very excited to be doing a bit of a renovation. To be honest, it's more like a reno slash makeover. I'm going to be doing a few different rooms in my home, including this one, the living room. This guy's going to get a little bit of love. So we're going to be making over the living room, the kitchen, the bathroom, the laundry, and we're going to be doing it on a budget. So, you know, I'm not knocking down walls. I'm not like spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'm pulling it right back, and I really want to make sure that I can focus on making a really big impact, a big change, but for less money. Now, I almost forgot your comments. In regards to your comments, you guys absolutely loved Color Crush. Such a colorful home, and some of your comments are absolutely incredible. Nika Jax, you've taken my comment challenge and you've raised the bar. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I await your next comment. Your emoji game is strong, my friend. Plus, I just got this one. Soul Beavers has asked me if there's any chance of finding out the name of the paint color in the two front rooms, because she's been trying to find the perfect shade for weeks and she is way too many sample pots deep. I get you, girlfriend. I'm gonna write back to you literally right now, and I'm gonna ask Alex for you. Everybody really liked the storage, that incredible bookcase. That was really quite spectacular. I personally loved the OSB going on in the cabinetry in that laundry area, but you guys were divided. I threw out a vote on Instagram and you guys kind of were not feeling what I was feeling, but I really liked it. I really loved how rich and incredible it felt. The block, oh my God, the block, so many comments on the block. You guys really enjoyed that. You know what? We got a lot of feedback about our tour being able to show a lot more than you can see, I guess, on television. Because we do actually shoot all of our home tours in one take, I feel like it is a really cool way to be able to see an entire home. And I feel like it's a really cool way to be able to see a home in its entirety and how it works. So you guys really appreciated that. So thanks for noticing. Zandy_VDM loved the incredible big green tri-panel artwork that was in the Color Crush home. She wanted to know who the artist was because she's obsessed. Zandy, that's Fred Fowler. It's a beautiful piece. In fact, all of the artwork in that home was just incredible. Bright in Light says, as much as it sucks, that's not my house. I'm just gonna tip my hat out of respect to this one. I like that. You know what? Not every home is for you, but I like the respectful tip of the hat. Okay, so next month is December, guys. Don't freak out. It's just December, which means it's Christmas, which means 2019 is almost over. I hope you have enjoyed spending time with Hunting for George, and I hope you've enjoyed all of the content we've put together for you this year. Keep following, keep liking, keep commenting, and we'll keep creating. Cheers.